When considering an air fryer as highly rated as ours, there's only one choice left to make: red, white, or black. Under every coat of paint is the same beautifully designed device, guaranteeing easy meals from start to finish, no matter what color you pick. It even gives helpful hints along the way. Need inspiration? Our chefs created 100 ideas for you and rigorously tested each one to ensure delicious results. Missing summer cookouts? Every entree needs a side. And to top it all off, get recipes of your own. Join the growing Cosori community on Facebook to share and find new food to try. So what are you waiting for? Find out for yourself. Revolutionize your kitchen.
French fries, wings, onion rings, fried chicken. We love great tasting fried food, but who wants all the added fat and calories? Now you can have all the fried food you love without the oil, mess, and fat with the NuWave Brio digital air fryer. Now make crispy air fried French fries in just 8 minutes, crunchy onion rings in 10 minutes, and juicy homemade air fried chicken in only 25 minutes. All with up to 70% less fat and calories.
It's wonderful. You don't get all that grease and you get the good taste anyway.
It is fun to fry again, and the Brio does it healthier and faster than anything else out there that we've ever used.
But healthy, delicious air-fried food is just the beginning. With a cooking range of 100 to 400 degrees, the NuWave Brio can also grill, bake, broil, sear, and even dehydrate. All while cooking up to 50% faster and using less energy than a regular oven. And when the Brio is done, it shuts off automatically, so your food doesn't burn. The energy-efficient yet powerful NuWave Brio features an all-metal basket and chamber and uses 1,800 watts of cooking power to create super cyclonic hot air. Our patented airflow design circulates hot air all around your food, from the top, bottom, and the sides, cooking evenly for perfect results. The new and improved Brio also features our next-generation digital thermostat control. Other ovens and air fryers cycle on and off while cooking, changing as much as 40 degrees, which dries food out and cooks unevenly. The Brio's DTC technology regulates the cooking temperature hundreds of times a second and keeps the temperature consistent throughout the cooking process. The result? Crispier and juicier food every time. Guaranteed. The Brio also features 6 easy one-touch cooking presets for your favorite foods, so you really can just touch and go. The Brio's space-saving design makes it perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, and RVs. And since it's dishwasher safe, cleanup is fast and easy.
I have a deep fryer. It's a complete mess. You know what I mean? With this thing, the cleanup is just so easy.
With a family of 5, it's incredibly easy and quick. Bye-bye, microwave. Hello, Brio.
Shake up your diet. The GoWise USA air fryer requires little to no oil to make food that is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. That means you can eat this, and this, and even this with only a fraction of the calories. Its 7-quart interior provides enough space to feed the whole family. With a temperature range of 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can make a vast variety of dishes. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, all in just one touch. You can even create your own healthy snacks using the dehydrator function and 3 included racks. Not sure where to start? We've got you covered. Each air fryer comes with 100, that's right, 100 chef-tested recipes. We'll bring the ideas, you bring the ingredients. Running a little late? The keep warm function means your food is ready when you are. Best of all, cleanup is easier than ever. With 3 styles, choosing the perfect appliance to match your kitchen is simple. Order yours today.